Hello everyone, this is Karen and hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about effects of intermittent fasting stabilizing my morning blood sugar. So if you like the video related to intermittent fasting on total health, I would like to request you all please do like, share, subscribe this channel so that I will come up with more and more videos on this platform. So here we begin, let's go. Fasting has been around for a long time, especially when you consider its historical involvement in a variety of spiritual ceremonies. Intermittent fasting has lately been described as part of a healthy diet for weight loss, detoxification, and other purposes. However, there has been a lot of debate about whether or not people with diabetes should do this time restricted eating and how does it affect blood sugar levels. Specific forms of intermittent fasting diet may be advantageous for people with diabetes. According to a growing body of data, furthermore, experts are beginning to believe that the timing of a fast is just as significant as the diet itself. Now, what is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is a sort of eating strategy in which calorie intake is reduced for a set period of time. This can range from complete fasting, meaning you won't eat at all for multiple days per week, to just restricting the number of calories consumed throughout the fasting time. There are several intermittent fasting diets available, ranging from those that restrict food intake after a given time of a day, typically in the evening, to those that alternate between eating regularly and restricting a set number of calories during the day on fasting days. More extreme fasting diets prohibit all foods for a whole 24-hour period or longer. Now, a brief overview of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating plan in which you alternate between eating and fasting intervals. Before beginning intermittent fasting, be sure to see your doctor. The actual technique is straightforward once you have permission from your healthcare practitioner. You might opt for a daily plan that restricts daily meals to a 6 to 8 hours window. Another way is to eat 5 times a week, which is known as the 5:2 strategy. On the following 2 days, you consume meals with only 500 to 600 calories. Fasting for longer length of time, such as 24, 36, and 48 and 72 hours, is not always beneficial and can be bad for your health. Going too long without eating may cause your body to begin accumulating fat as a reaction to the lack of food. Numerous studies have shown that it can have significant health and cognitive advantages. Now, here are some health benefits of intermittent fasting that have been scientifically proven. This is why I decided to try it. Now, let's remember what are the signs that indicate high blood sugar level. If you don't have glucometer, certain physical symptoms indicate high blood glucose. Unfortunately, diabetes affect almost every part of the body. That is why the symptoms can vary greatly. The following are some of the most prevalent signs and symptoms of high blood sugar. Now, blurry vision, frequent urination, fatigue, and increased thirst. Monitor and control blood sugar regularly. This will help you remain on track with your healthy lifestyle choices while also revealing how you are reacting to other factors. This is a crucial part of diabetes treatment. Variation in blood sugar pattern, for example, can signal to you and your healthcare team that you need changes in treating your diabetes. A blood glucose meter is a device used in medicine to measure blood sugar. It is an essential component of diabetic at home blood glucose monitoring. These test a small amount of blood, usually from a tip of a finger. Blood sugar meter indicate if you have a low blood sugar level or emergency high because blood sugar fluctuates, or in case you have chronically elevated blood sugar, you must test, and monitor your result regularly to control blood sugar successfully. Now, the effects and benefits of intermittent fasting on people with diabetes. How does fasting affect insulin response and insulin resistance? Practicing intermittent fasting and time restricted eating can reduce insulin resistance, decreasing your risk of type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance and insulin sensitivity go hand in hand. When your blood sugar is high, your pancreas releases the hormone insulin, which removes the glucose from your bloodstream and send it to your liver to be stored. High blood sugar will increase your risk of insulin sensitivity, and this is problematic for people with type 2 diabetes. Increased insulin sensitivity goes hand in hand with reduced insulin level. The more our insulin spikes, the more our body becomes accustomed to insulin. In recent decades, type 2 diabetes has become a relatively common diagnosis. Anything that lower insulin resistance and protect against type 2 diabetes should help lower blood sugar. Intermittent fasting has been found to have significant advantages for insulin resistance and to result in significant blood sugar reduction. Fasting glucose level in people with prediabetes were lowered by 3 to 6% over the course of 8 to 12 weeks in human research on intermittent fasting. Fasting insulin level have been lowered by 20 to 31%. Intermittent fasting enhanced survival rates and protected against retinopathy in mice with diabetes. According to one research, retinopathy is a potentially blinding consequence of diabetes. This suggests that individuals who are at risk of developing type 2 diabetes could certainly benefit from intermittent fasting. That's all about the intermittent fasting in this video. So I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.